What's up, coaches? I just want to re-review these excellence numbers, okay? Yes. Thank you, Leon.
Does that need to review again?
Yes, it does, Leon. Okay, so this is now on the coach's checklist. And not everybody filled out their checklist, so please make sure you do that every weekend. Unfortunately, the ones that were filled out were not done correctly, so I want to make sure that you guys understand how to do that. So I have right here a sample, just the actual chart from the checklist, okay? And so I'm going to use this last weekend's numbers from the 11, all right? So here's what you're going to do at the end of your experience. You're going to go through and write down how many kids do you have in each of the rooms, okay? So at the 11 for Starry Night, there were 7 kids under the C, 7, the ARC 14, and Connect 14, okay? So you're going to write that down. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to calculate based on these numbers and the ratios. Can you see that? These numbers right here. The ratios given to you in each of the rooms. So Starry Night is 1 to 4. You definitely need a minimum of 2 adults. So looking at the number, what would the ratio suggest that you need for excellence? In this case, 1 to 4 with 7 kids, you would only need 2 leaders, okay? So if I do 2 times 4, that's 8. It's under 8 kids, and so it's only 2 leaders. Now, you actually had 3 leaders present, so bonus, okay? So then let's look at the next one. Under the C, with 2 leaders, maximum you would have to have, or only be able to have 12 students. In this case, there were only 7, which means only 2 leaders necessary. The ARC 14. Okay, this is a great situation where you actually needed 3 leaders in here. The ratio is 1 to 6, so 1 adult per every 6 kid, but you actually had more than 12 kids. So in this case, for excellence, you should have 3 leaders. Connect, it's 1 adult per every 10 kids. So you had more than 10 kids, which would mean you would need 2 adult leaders plus 2 extra leaders. So 4 is the minimum. 2 coaches at minimum, 2 guest services. So what you're going to do here, and this is where it's a little bit fuzzy on the charts, you're going to take these numbers, go down and add them. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you needed at least 15 people. You actually had 11. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the actual number, which is 11, get a close-up with that calculator, divided by 15, which gives you 73.3%. Okay, so that's the percentage we're looking for. What we want is 100%, but this is going to give you a good sense of how excellent was this experience. Well, it was, in terms of leaders needed versus leader present, 73%. Okay, hopefully that answers your questions. What I would love you to do before tonight's call is go through your experience, write this down, and come to the meeting with your percentage. Okay, so we can make sure that you guys are on the same page. Thank you, guys.